Welcome to the presentation of our Documentation Manager for GRC360 and ITSM360. Examples could be standard operating procedures, policies, instructions, or guidelines. The objective of the Documentation Manager is to create, as an example, a standard operating procedure, relate it to the correct components in your IT infrastructure, and manage the actual SOP in a document. Let's see how it works. We navigate to the SOPs. Here, we find an SOP called Delete Old Employees from SAP. We take this SOP as our example. When you open the document component, the options are a summary, association, writing emails, working with files, and making notes related to the SOP, in this example. Let's make a note. The important feature of the Document Manager is the ability to work with relations to your core IT stack. Let's see the relations. You can relate your controlling document to your data processes, IT system, change processes repository, problem processes, or even ticket processes. In this example, the SOP was related to SAP. So we see the System tab. We can make a query down in the System list from our ITSM solution, and let us delete a relation so we have the SAP back as the solution relevant for the SOP. Now we have a relationship. Let's prove it and navigate away from the Documentation Manager and into the core IT system list in ITSM360. Here, we find SAP and open the SAP record. From the IT system perspective, we see the SOP applicable to the SAP system that must be followed. We have seen how the relations work from the Documentation Manager and how it is visible from the system level in this SOP example. Let's end this video by showing the actual document features and how you can work with emails related to the document. The document features are based on a standard SharePoint document library with all the native SharePoint document features available for you. Here, you can use your templates for SOP or other types of controlling IT documentation. We hope you liked our introduction of our IT Documentation Manager. Contact us for a demo of this app.